Good morning, everybody. We went and did something yesterday. We've been looking for a 7 or 8 passenger rig. We've looked at Blazers, the Chevy Blazer, which is the 5 passenger. Sorrentos, the Kia Sorrentos. We've looked at a lot of Subarus and other stuff. We could not find what we wanted because we want at least a 7 passenger, 6 passenger. I mean, I was even looking at crew cab trucks to replace the crew cab truck I have now. That's it's 23 years old. Runs great, Chevy. Anyway, searching. My kids have a Sorrento and a Sportage, and they told me, "Well, Dad, just take a look at the website and see if they offer anything." Because I didn't know. I had never heard of these. This is a Kia Carnival. This is the baseline model. It's a hybrid, so it has a gas motor and an electric motor, a 4-cylinder electric motor. We drove it home last night on the highway and then out here in the country roads, and it got 39 to 40 miles per gallon. Of course, it was just me in the car. It wasn't loaded down. Had enough power, and it was just in economy mode. I could have put it in power mode and done, fine with it. Anyway, this is the baseline model, hybrid baseline model. There's another one, it's the gas. It's, I don't remember what it's called, but there's another one that's lower than this one, but it's only in the gas model. So there's plenty of room here. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall, and you got, ample room here. I mean, the front, a lot of room. The dash is awesome. It is a good, I really like it. Like it is two-wheel drive. They do not offer this in all-wheel drive, just two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive. This back seat, it's a bench, so you can sit 3 here. I think you could sit 3 teenagers here very comfortably, or 2 here, 1 in the back, and a little person here. There's the USB ports here. Also some in the back for the back seats. Here's the back storage. Let me move this seat forward. Actually, let me show you something else real first. So this seat, pull this lever, and this is now a place to put your soda, your phone. So this is like a console. It can be moved up. I'm going to do this from this back here. It can be flipped up and out, or you can take this lever in the front, move it forward, so the person in the middle and the back would have more room for their feet, if you want to do it that way. Or you can slide the sucker all the way back, like that, and have nothing here. Okay, let's put it back up there where it belongs. These recline quite a bit. Pull that lever, slide her forward. It's hard to do with one hand. Sorry, guys. Seat head covers up. So that's how you get in the thing. Sorry, that was kind of new rig. Not quite sure how to do everything yet. But you can see how far back those recline. I think it's all the way back. Here's your cargo space. That's probably from the back of this seat to theirs, probably 5.5 feet, 5 feet. I'll show you the back. I obviously have some of these that have push button automatic gates and all that. This one is not. So here's the back. Yeah, I bet that's 5 feet, 4.5 feet. Lift these seats up. Obviously, you can get the higher base model and get these like that. See, it's that easy. And then pull this one. And there's part of your seat. You can still use this side for storage. But look how big the back of this is with all the seats up. Come here. With all the seats up, you could still, I do a lot of traveling for senior softball, and I could get I could get my ball bag in there and another ball bag and luggage. If it was only 2 or 3 of us in this thing riding somewhere, we get a lot of stuff in here. Again, storage back here. This is where your jack is. There's actually an air pump in here. Another 12-volt charger. That right there is the other USBs in the back. Cup holders and place to put your phone or whatever. It's just a good looking rig too. I mean, it's not a great big tall looking, they call it a, what the heck they call this thing? An HEV, I don't know. Hybrid like vehicle maybe, I don't know. But it's not real tall, so it doesn't look like a minivan. I really like it. I like the color. I mean, there's the front seats, plenty of room. And like I said, I'm 6 feet, and that's 8 inches of clearance there. You have another USB in the front. This one over here is for charging and data. This one's just for charging. You have another push button for the old cigarette type. Anyway, guys, I like it. Oh, and look how big this cup holder is up here. I mean, this is a big cup. And there's still ample room to put even a bigger cup in there. Parking brake. This cubby hole thing here. Controls up here for whatever. Lights. And there's also, I can show you this. Up here is the rear control. Oops, wrong side. Is the rear control for the rear heat and air. Let's go see what that thing is back there. I am not sure what that is. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Unless it's, oh, it's for the shoulder for that middle seat. Anyway, guys, if you got any questions on it, I'd be happy to answer for what I know so far. Like I said, we just got it yesterday. Like I said, I hadn't heard of them. For what we paid for this, it was, shoot, 70% of what a Tahoe would cost. You know, Tahoe with the same kind of stuff in it. Well, actually, probably 50% of what a Tahoe that had a hybrid motor in it, electric motor in it. At least half. We got this on sale. It's a 2025. We paid just around $40,000 for it. For what it is, the upper end, the higher models, I think are about 51, 52 right now. Anyway, guys, it is a two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive. Like I said, it got great mileage coming home. Almost, I mean, on the highway, I was getting 42 miles to the gallon, and then I, you know, came up in the hills up by my house, and it went down to 39. But, yeah, I just like it. Anyway, guys, you have a great day. Thanks for watching.